After watching this video, you will learn how to use banking in the individual plan, create a bank, cash or credit card account, connect BankFit to your bank account, manage and edit bank accounts. To get started, log into the individual plan and navigate to banking from the left-hand side. From here, you can create and manage your bank, cash and credit card accounts. Set up the accounts you need, connect to your online banking, and view your account balances. By default, there is a cash account created for you, and you can create additional ones if needed. Please note, in the individual free plan, you can only have 2 accounts. If you try and create a third one, this message will appear. In the individual plan, you can create up to 10 accounts. To create a new bank, cash or credit card account, from banking, click Add Account. Select the account type from the drop-down list. This can be cash, bank account or credit card. Then, enter the account name. Additional information such as the sort code and account number are optional. If you're creating a cash account, you only need to enter the account name. To save the account without connecting to the bank, click Save. To save and connect to a BankFit, click here. We will look at this option later in this video. If you already have money in your bank account or a balance on your credit card, you can enter this as an opening balance. This should be the balance of your account on the day before your account started. For example, if your account starts on the 6th of April, you should enter the balance of your account at the end of the 5th of April. In case you open a new account and transferred money to it, you should record this transaction as a transfer instead. If you have one, select Balance for a positive amount or Overdrawn Balance for a negative amount and enter the amount. For further information on opening balances, click here. To save this, click Save Opening Balance. If you don't have this information to hand, you can add the opening balance later via Actions. Once saved, the opening balance will appear in completed transactions. Let's now look at how to connect to a bank. A BankFit is a secure connection between your bank account and the individual plan. Connecting to your online banking platform allows individuals to import your transactions automatically. This saves you time and the hassle of entering all your business transactions manually. Useful information to know before connecting to a BankFit. Some bank providers require you to log in to your online banking. Ensure you have your online banking credentials to hand. Your bank provider may send a code or a message to your phone or email for extra security. Ensure you have access to the phone or email address registered with your bank. For additional security, you'll have to re-enter your online banking credentials every 90 days. This frequency may vary based on your bank provider. To connect a BankFit, from Banking, navigate to the bank account you want to connect and click Connect to a bank. Alternatively, click View Account Details and then connect to your bank. Choose your bank account if you're banking with one of the following banks. If your bank doesn't appear, start typing the name of your bank or credit card company in the search box. Follow the steps to authorize the connection with your bank. The connection process may vary depending on your bank provider. Once you set up your BankFits, your bank transactions appear in Draft Transactions, from where you can add further information and assign a category to each transaction. BankFit transactions can be backdated for up to 3 months. If you need to bring in transactions prior to 3 months, you will need to manually add transactions to account for the difference. To manage your bank account, go to Banking. Use the Actions drop-down on a bank, credit card or cash account. The list of options varies based on the type of account. In this example, we are showing the options for a bank account connected to BankFit. From here, you can add an opening balance, view account details, edit account details, and disconnect the BankFit if no longer required. If you no longer use an account, Marking it as inactive prevents transactions being created for that account. To mark a bank account that's connected to a bank feed as inactive, you will need to disconnect your bank feed first. To do this, click Disconnect Bank. Once the bank feed is disconnected, you can then mark the account as inactive. To mark an account not connected to a bank feed as inactive, navigate to the relevant account. Then select Actions and mark account as inactive. By default, the banking window shows you all your bank accounts. Change this view to only show active or inactive accounts using the toggles at the top of the banking window. You've now learned how to use banking in the individual plan.